Welcome to Learning English. I'm Megan.
And I'm David. Let's get started.
Hello and welcome to Learning English with Megan and David.
I'm Megan.
And I'm David.
Today we're going to learn English for traveling.
Simple travel conversations.
If you're planning to travel, this lesson is for you.
We know traveling can feel scary,
especially in English.
But we're going to help you.
We'll teach you exactly what to say.
At the airport.
At the hotel.
In a taxi.
Everywhere you go.
And remember something important.
You don't need perfect English to travel.
Simple English is enough.
People want to help you.
They just need to understand what you need.
So, let's begin.
First, the airport.
Let's start with check-in.
When you arrive at the airport, you go to check-in.
You'll talk to someone at the counter.
They might ask for your passport. Listen.
May I see your passport, please?
You give them your passport and say this. Here you go.
Repeat. Here you go.
Or you can say this. Here it is.
Repeat. Here it is.
Perfect.
They might ask about your luggage.
Listen. Are you checking any bags?
If you have bags, say this. Yes, one bag.
Repeat. Yes, one bag.
Or if you have two bags. Yes, two bags.
Repeat. Yes, two bags.
If you don't have bags to check, say this. No, just carry on.
Repeat. No, just carry on.
Good.
They might ask where you're sitting.
Listen, would you like a window or aisle seat?
If you want to see outside, say this. Window, please.
Repeat. Window, please.
If you want the aisle, say this. Aisle, please.
Repeat. Aisle, please.
Perfect.
Now they'll give you your boarding pass.
Listen, here's your boarding pass. Your gate is B12.
You can say, thank you. Thank you.
Repeat. Thank you.
You might need to ask a question.
Like, where is the gate?
Listen, where is gate C7?
Repeat. Where is gate C7?
Or you can ask this. How do I get to gate C7?
Repeat. How do I get to gate C7?
Good.
Now, let's talk about security.
At security, you show your passport and boarding pass.
The security officer might say this. Passport and boarding pass, please.
You give them and say this. Here you go.
Repeat. Here you go.
They might tell you to remove things.
Listen. Please remove your shoes and belt.
You just say, okay, okay.
Repeat. Okay.
They might tell you about your bag.
Listen. Put your bag on the belt.
You just do it and say, okay, okay.
Repeat. Okay.
Sometimes they need to check your bag.
They might say this. We need to check your bag.
You just say, okay, no problem.
Repeat. Okay, no problem.
Good.
Now let's practice a full check-in conversation.
Listen to the whole thing first.
Good morning. Passport, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags?
Yes, one bag.
Window or aisle?
Window, please.
Here's your boarding pass. Gate B12. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Did you hear how simple that was?
Very short answers.
Very polite.
That's all you need.
Now you try.
I'll be the check-in person.
Good morning. Passport, please.
You say, here you go.
Are you checking any bags?
You answer, yes or no.
Window or aisle?
You answer.
Here's your boarding pass. Gate C7.
You say, thank you.
Perfect.
Now let's learn some questions you might need to ask.
At the airport, you might need help.
Here are important questions.
Listen. Where is the bathroom?
Repeat. Where is the bathroom?
Listen. Where is gate C7?
Repeat. Where is gate C7?
Listen. Where is baggage claim?
Repeat. Where is baggage claim?
Listen. Where can I get a taxi?
Repeat. Where can I get a taxi?
Good.
You can also ask these questions.
Listen. What time is boarding?
Repeat. What time is boarding?
Listen, is this the right gate?
Repeat. Is this the right gate?
Listen, am I in the right line?
Repeat. Am I in the right line?
Excellent.
Now on the airplane.
The flight attendant might offer you something.
Listen. Would you like something to drink?
If you want water, say this. Water, please.
Repeat. Water, please.
If you want juice or soda, orange juice, please.
Repeat. Orange juice, please.
Or apple juice, or coffee or tea.
Just say the drink and please.
Listen. Coffee, please.
Repeat. Coffee, please.
Perfect.
They might offer you food.
Listen. Would you like chicken or pasta?
Just say which one. Chicken, please.
Repeat. Chicken, please.
Or the other option. Pasta, please.
Repeat. Pasta, please.
Good.
You might need to ask for something.
Listen. Can I have a blanket, please?
Repeat. Can I have a blanket, please?
Listen. Can I have a pillow, please?
Repeat. Can I have a pillow, please?
Listen. Can I have some water, please?
Repeat. Can I have some water, please?
Perfect.
You might need to go to the bathroom.
You can ask this. Excuse me, can I get through?
Repeat. Excuse me, can I get through?
Or simply say this. Excuse me.
Repeat. Excuse me.
Good.
That's the end of part 1.
You're learning so much.
In part 2, we'll learn about hotels and taxis.
Keep going.
Quick note before we continue. If the English feels a little fast, you can slow this video down using the playback speed settings on YouTube. Slowing it down can really help you hear each word clearly and practice with confidence. If this lesson is helping you, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you know when new English practice videos are ready. And please comment below and tell us what English topics you want help with next. Your suggestions help us create lessons just for you.
Welcome to part 2.
Now we'll learn about hotels and taxis.
First, arriving at the hotel.
When you arrive, you go to the front desk.
The person at the desk might say this. Good evening, welcome. Do you have a reservation?
You say yes and give your name. Yes, my name is Maria Garcia.
Let's practice that. Say, yes, my name is, and say your name.
They might ask for your ID.
Listen, may I see your ID and credit card, please?
You give them and say this. Here you go.
Repeat. Here you go.
They'll give you information about your room.
Listen, you're in room 305 on the 3rd floor. Here's your key.
You say thank you. Thank you.
Repeat. Thank you.
You might want to ask a question.
Listen to some important questions.
What time is breakfast?
Repeat. What time is breakfast?
Where is the elevator?
Repeat. Where is the elevator?
Is there Wi-Fi?
Repeat. Is there Wi-Fi?
What's the Wi-Fi password?
Repeat. What's the Wi-Fi password?
Good.
Now let's practice a full hotel check-in.
Listen first.
Good evening. Welcome to Grand Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, my name is David Chen.
Thank you, Mr. Chen. May I see your ID and credit card?
Here you go.
Thank you. You're in room 405. Here's your key. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Thank you. Where is the elevator?
Right behind you, to the left.
Thank you.
Did you hear that?
Very simple conversation.
Now you try.
I'll be the hotel person.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
You say, yes, my name is.
May I see your ID?
You say, here you go.
You're in room 215. Here's your key.
You say, thank you.
You can also ask, what time is breakfast?
Perfect.
Now some problems you might have at a hotel.
Sometimes something doesn't work.
You need to call the front desk.
Here's what you say.
Listen. Hello, I'm in room 305.
Repeat. Hello, I'm in room 305.
Then you say the problem.
Listen, the Wi-Fi isn't working.
Repeat. The Wi-Fi isn't working.
Or this, the TV isn't working.
Repeat. The TV isn't working.
Or this, the air conditioning isn't working.
Repeat. The air conditioning isn't working.
Or this, there's no hot water.
Repeat. There's no hot water.
Good.
You might need more towels or pillows.
Say this, can I have more towels, please?
Repeat. Can I have more towels, please?
Or this, can I have extra pillows, please?
Repeat. Can I have extra pillows, please?
Perfect.
Now checking out of the hotel.
When you leave, you go to the front desk.
You say this. I'd like to check out, please.
Repeat, I'd like to check out, please.
They might ask for your key.
Listen, may I have your room key?
You give it and say this. Here you go.
Repeat, here you go.
They'll give you your receipt.
Listen, here's your receipt. Did you enjoy your stay?
You can say this. Yes, thank you.
Repeat, yes, thank you.
Or this. Yes, it was great.
Repeat, yes, it was great.
Perfect. Now let's talk about taxis and rides.
When you get in a taxi, you tell the driver where to go.
Listen, to the Grand Hotel, please.
Repeat, to the Grand Hotel, please.
Or you can give an address. 123 Main Street, please.
Repeat, 123 Main Street, please.
Or you can say the airport. To the airport, please.
Repeat, to the airport, please.
Good. The driver might ask you a question.
Listen, do you have a preferred route?
If you don't care, say this. No, whatever is fastest.
Repeat, no, whatever is fastest.
Or simply say this. No, that's fine.
Repeat, no, that's fine.
Good. You might want to ask how long it takes.
Listen,
How long will it take?
repeat, how long will it take?
Or ask about the cost. How much will it cost?
Repeat, how much will it cost?
Or this. How much is it to the airport?
Repeat, how much is it to the airport?
Perfect. When you arrive, the driver might say this.
Here we are. That's $25.
You can pay and say this. Here you go. Keep the change.
Repeat, here you go. Keep the change.
Keep the change means the extra money is a tip.
Or you can just pay exact amount.
Listen, here's $30.
Repeat, here's $30.
Good. You should always say thank you when you leave. Thank you.
Repeat, thank you.
Or this. Thank you. Have a good day.
Repeat, thank you. Have a good day.
Perfect. Now let's practice a full taxi conversation.
Listen first.
Good morning. Where to?
To the Grand Hotel, please.
No problem. It'll be about 20 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Here we are. That's $20.
Here's $20. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Did you hear that?
Very simple and polite.
Now you try.
I'll be the taxi driver.
Where to?
You say where you want to go.
It'll be about 15 minutes.
You say, okay, thank you.
Here we are. That's $22.
You pay and say, here you go.
Excellent. Now some emergency phrases.
Just in case you need help.
Listen, I need help.
Repeat, I need help.
I'm lost.
Repeat, I'm lost.
Where is the nearest hospital?
Repeat, where is the nearest hospital?
I lost my passport.
Repeat, I lost my passport.
Can you help me?
Repeat, can you help me?
Do you speak English?
Repeat, do you speak English?
Good.
These are important to know.
Just in case.
Now let's talk about asking for help politely.
Always start with excuse me.
Listen, excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Repeat. Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Repeat. Excuse me, can you help me?
Good.
Always end with thank you.
Even if someone can't help you.
Listen. Thank you anyway.
Repeat. Thank you anyway.
Or this. Thanks for your help.
Repeat. Thanks for your help.
Perfect. Now let's review everything we learned.
At the airport, you say, here you go. Window, please. Thank you.
You ask, where is gate B12? What time is boarding?
At the hotel, you say, yes, my name is, here you go. Thank you.
You ask, what time is breakfast? Where is the elevator? What's the Wi-Fi password?
In a taxi, you say, to the hotel, please. How long will it take? Here you go. Keep the change.
Remember, simple English is enough.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You just need to communicate.
And always be polite.
Say please and thank you.
People will help you.
Now here's something important.
It's okay to be nervous when you travel.
Everyone feels nervous sometimes.
But you know these phrases now.
You can handle basic situations.
And if you forget something, that's okay.
People understand.
You can point.
You can use hand gestures.
You can show your phone.
Communication isn't just words.
Here's your challenge.
Before you travel, practice these phrases out loud.
Say them many times.
Practice at home.
Practice in front of a mirror.
The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel.
And when you travel, try to use these phrases.
Start with easy ones, like thank you and excuse me.
Then try longer phrases.
You'll get better each time.
We believe in you.
You can travel.
You can communicate.
You have everything you need.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope you have wonderful travels.
Safe travels.
And enjoy your trip.
You're ready.
Goodbye.
Bye.
We'd also love to hear from you. Please comment below and tell us what English topics you're struggling with right now. Work, daily life, conversations, or anything else. Your comments help us choose future lessons just for you.